Characterization is how an author brings a character to life. One of my go-to choices for a literary analysis is to look at a character, to analyze the character's name, the character's appearance, some object and places associated with that character. For example, in the story that we're going to read, one of them, the things they carried, one of the objects associated with Jimmy Cross are the letters that Martha wrote to him. So objects, places that are associated with characters, the character's actions. Also important are the character's thoughts and speech, including the content, what they say, the timing, when they say it, and the phrasing or how they say it. And it's also interesting to look at other characters' thoughts and actions toward the character that you're analyzing. Equally as important and sometimes overlooked are the things that the narrator says about the author or how the character ends up in the story. I had an English teacher in high school say you can always tell how an author feels about the character based on how they end up. So when looking at character and considering your larger analysis, I urge you all to think about looking at character, and these are some of the elements to look for.